is a very quick video on how to align garage door sensors. It's a very common problem. If your door is going down a little bit or halfway and then goes back up and flashes the room lights and makes a clicking noise, click, 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 usually it's 10 times, that means your door is probably okay, your motor is probably okay, you just need to align your sensors. So if you look at your sensors, you got one on each side. Those are those little camera looking things. They have a orange amber light on this one, and the other one should have a green light. Right now it's off, so right now if we want to open the door and close it, it's not going to close because our sensors are out of line. So this one is fine, this one is lit up, and this one is not lit up. So now your door is not going to go down. So what you want to do is you want to first make sure that the yellow one is on. If the yellow one is off, you don't have power to the sensors, and aligning is not going to solve the problem. You need to call your garage door company near you and have them figure out why this is off and why it's not getting power, okay? So if this is on, we are good, we have power. We just want to kind of direct it towards the other one. It shoots an invisible beam, so we wanted to kind of shoot it towards the other sensors. So what I'm going to do, if needed, I can adjust this, or I can open this, loosen this wing nut, position this whatever way I like, and then close it back up. Okay, in this case I'm using one hand. You can use both hands, probably better. Okay, so this one is going pretty much where I want it to go, and then I'm going to go to the other one and kind of move it around. And I want to get a good read on this sensor. If it's flickering a little bit, it's not going to work. So even though it's green but it's flickering, it's not going to work. Okay, so you want it to be really a solid green. Once I have a solid green, then I just tighten everything up, and then we're good to go. Everything is going to work. This is true for other sensors as well. For instance, Genie or other brands work in a similar way, but just different lights. You're going to have, instead of green and yellow, you're going to have maybe green and red, or the red is the sender and the green is the receiver, or vice versa. But you always want to make sure that both sensors are looking right at each other and you have a good read, and then your door is going to work fine and it's going to close fine.